about yourself.
Sir, as you know very well, my name is Arju Sharma and I am from Ayodhya Ramnagri.
Yes, yes, sir.
Sir, as you know very well, my name is Arju Sharma and I am from Ayodhya Ramnagri and I am pursuing BS from IIT Madras and along with BSc in Ram Manohar Lohia Awadh Vishwavidyalaya and I am but that is all about my.
Okay, what is your hobbies?
My hobbies are I am dancing and reading book. Book name is Grow and Think by Napoleon Hill. It's my favorite book. And Atomic Mind. It's my favorite book. And
Could you tell something about this book? What did you learn from there?
Sir, how to, in Atomic Mind, it's a how to work your mind, how to control your mind, how to control your overthink. That type of thing available in Atomic Mind. And Grow and Think by Napoleon Hill books is content, sir, in the sense how to overcome your problem, how to tackle your problem. If I if I face any problem, then take a solution that book. So
Nice.
thank you.
So these days, I think most of the students they are using cell phone, watching reels,
Yeah.
and so many videos, Instagram, other things. So why you have interest in books?
Because sometimes ago, sir, I realized that my mind is increases by self using cell phone. In the sense, I am not recall anything immediately. So I realized that I read book and leave my phone and Instagram reels again.
How many hours do you use cell phone?
How many hours? Sir, it's not compulsory because I am a taking class in my lappy. So I use phone 1.5 hour.
As you have mentioned that you are a student of IIT Madras.
Yes, sir.
Could you tell me the experience about IIT Madras?
Sir, my experience is very good because I am not taking offline class. I am taking online class for girls quota because no any girls available going to IIT with me. Then I conduct girls quota. So in IIT Madras constructor, he's provided me online class. After 2 year, I went there. I I will go. I will go there. So I'm not share my experience about IIT Madras about on campus.
So when you visited campus anytime?
Yeah, only one time, sir. Is a sir. There was a there was a sir a zeal program. So that's I'm visit for 1 week.
So, what are the things like as you have mentioned? Yeah, you have the ability to work in the pressure.
Yeah,
So, if you have a pressure, if you have a team, you are working with someone.
yeah.
So, how you will tackle to them if you are not doing good, if you are not working good, then how will you will motivate your team?
Sir, firstly, I take a breath in pressure. I take a proper breath and take a some time.
Okay.
And according to that situation, I tackle this problem.
So, Mansi, tell me about yourself, then you go ahead.
As you know that my name is Mansi and I have completed my B.Ed from Dr. Ramloi Ayodhya with 81% mark. I have cleared my CTET also and I have 1 year experience of teaching. And my hobbies are dancing, listening music, etc. And I want to work with all my. That's all.
Okay. So, what is your hobbies to become a teacher?
Yes, it's not only my hobby. Hobby is a thing that a person want to do only for interest. But it is not I am doing only for interest. It's my passion also. I want to be a teacher.
Okay, did you think like your percentage matters if you're just going for any job or somewhere?
Yes, I think sometime percentage matter, but not all the time because sometime what's happen when you interact with people, when you interact with people, professionally or particularly, then they know you are able for it or not, and that time percentage doesn't matter.
So Mansi, just tell me one thing. How long have you been teaching in school?
Actually, I want to tell you, sir, that when I completed my BSc, I joined a school in my area, and at that time, I am not more confident about myself, and I've been there for 3 years, and now at that time, actually, I am pursuing my B.Ed. So I just want to improve myself. That's why I joined it that time, and it's been 3 years.
What you gain from there?
Actually,
What knowledge or skills?
at the time I am not confident, but now I have it, and I also can interact with people and try to talk to them. That's my improvement from there.
So tell me one thing, as you are a brilliant student, then why you didn't apply or didn't go for other job? Only you are to serve as a teacher.
Actually, sir, my sister, she is present time chemical engineer, and she also insists me that I have to do BSc as I do BSc with chemistry, and she wanted that I have to do chemistry BSc MSc. But according to me, if a job I want a job that satisfied me, and when I am teaching the students, I feel that time I was satisfied with my job. So that's why I wanna be a teacher, not in any other
But I
profession.
have seen that
My name is Navneet Yadav. I am from Ayodhya district. Currently, I am living in Lucknow, and I have completed my schooling from Ram Sevak Adarsh Smarak Inter College, Barabanki. And currently, I am pursuing BSc from Lucknow University. And
What is your hobbies?
my hobbies are cycling, swimming, and listening music.
Okay. So what is your future goals?
My future goal is I want to join defense forces.
Anything that you like, just motivate you for the defense or anyone?
Yes, I am a part of NCC cadet, NCC. So from that, I am
just I want to do one thing, that you are telling about you are preparing for defense forces.
yes, sir.
So these days, I think in defense, one new scheme has launched by the government. That is
Yes.
the Agniveer scheme.
So
What do you think about this one?
so I think this is not good for youths, because in this it is not a permanent job, and after this we got pensions, and if we died in battlefield, we don't call Shaheed, martyrs, and after 4 years we remove from there. So
But government is saying that after 4 years, they recruit somewhere else, another companies, otherwise another organization, they place there.
sir, in this they required in 17 years, and 17 year plus 5 year.
Eligibility is
Yes, sir,
17 years.
eligibility. So then
After 24
20,
years,
20
you want to say that,
24 year. So sir, then in 5 years we don't study, then we
student don't
Yes, sir.
study, so for them, I think
They-
will
they
not be
can-
eligible
yes,
for
sir.
any other job.
Exam, yes.